you're singing. Those who don't speak Turkish, you know what they're singing about? That you're singing. Of course, even if you don't know the meaning of it, the barakat, the rahmat, blessings is there. What are they saying? Sing the first couple of lines. Go ahead. Just sing. There's different kind of sema, different kind of fasl now. Go on. Start.
Ey aşık dildade.
Oh, you go from the beginning? No, the second song there.
Erler demine destur alalım, erler demine destur
It says,
alalım.
let us ask the permission of the wise ones. To begin, let us ask the permission of the wise ones. Keep going.
Pervaneye bak ibret alalım.
Let us look and take lesson from the drunk moth. Keep going.
Aşkın ateşine gel bir yanalım.
Let us burn like the moth till we perish in the fire of love.
Dost,
Friend.
dost, dost,
Friend.
dost.
Keep going.
Devrana girip seyran edelim.
What does that mean? Let us enter the circle and this pure path.
Eyvah demeden Allah diyelim.
Before wailing, oh no, before complaining, let us say Allah. La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallahu.
Günler geceler durmaz geçiyor.
Day and night endlessly pass by.
Sermayen olan ömrün bitiyor.
Your life, that most prized possession, is ending.
Bülbüllere bak efkan ediyor.
Look at the bulbul, look at the nightingale that sing and weep.
Ey gonca açıl mevsim geçiyor.
Oh rosebud, it is time to blossom. Your season is passing.
Dost, dost, dost, dost.
You're going.
Ey yolcu biraz sen dinle
Oh traveler,
beni.
listen to me.
Kervan geçiyor sen kalma geri.
The caravan is setting off. Don't stay behind.
Yusuf denilen dünya güzeli.
The beauty of the world, called Yusuf,
Fethetti bugün kalbi seferi.
Yusuf instead conquered the hearts today.
Dost, dost, dost,
Now
dost.
go back to the beginning. Yes, keep going.
Bir bade gerek ama kimi çileme vade.
One drink is all we need. But what a wine. Can Allah.
Allah,
Oh my dear Allah, my beloved Allah.
Canlar sana
May our lives be sacrificed for you, Allah.
Hay kalbim
Oh my heart,
zikrullah.
come alive again with zikrullah. La ilahe illallah.
ilahe illallah. Muhammedur Resulullah.
Keep going.
Sakisi ola Mevla.
Let us become drunk in the wine Allah gives.
Akdahiyanın esma.
Ever clear is His name.
Bir kez nuşiden kata.
The one who drinks once becomes a drunkard.
Gam görmeye dünyada.
He has no grief from this world.
Bir kez içen
The one who drinks once falls in love.
Aşkında
A
olsa
fierce, loyal love.
Aşk ona hem
Love deserving
layıktır.
of them both.
Mecnun ile
Mecnun and
Ferhade. Ol came olan tabip.
Oh doctor, may he be busy with good.
Can ile ragıp esma.
May he be anxious in life.
Nefsine ola
May he
galip.
chain his ego and prevail over his own tongue.
Dile bağla yazda de. İşit bu
Hear
sezayiden.
this from Sezai.
Ne gördü fenayiden.
What he saw from his own evil.
Dost yüzünü gösterdi.
Your friend showed me his face.
Mirat-ı
What a
mücellade.
shining mirror. Everything is there. That's why with these ilahis, it is different from nasheeds or qasidas. You understand? It's different. This is the journey of someone on the path. Others is praising Prophet ﷺ, even praising the saints, but this is the journey of the dervish. In there is a roadmap. In there is words saying, come, I know how you feel. As Maulana is saying, come, I know you are tired, but come. There is no other way. Let's continue. Because so many times you don't hear the hardness, the difficulty of the journey. People talk about how beautiful everything is and what is you going to find at the end. But that difficulty, especially, you'll find in these ilahis, to say it doesn't matter. I understand you. We'll continue, inshallah.